You are with the big story here. I'm Seher Zama. We're making a start with breaking inputs coming in of the Karnataka Excise Department, which has granted permission to the microbreweries. This is for selling existing beer, selling stock as a takeaway to visitors, except in containment zones. So this is an activity that can start today if the breweries are not in the they can be selling it to all areas except the containment zones. They can sell beer as a takeaway in glass, ceramic or stainless steel containers. That is up to 2 liters. The customers can also bring in their own bottles to be filled. Microbreweries will be allowed to operate 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. These are going to be beer filling stations, to be precise. There is going to be no new production of beer though. This is only of the existing stock of which beer will be allowed to be used. Our correspondent Neha Hebale is getting us those inputs here on how this is going to be executed on ground, how people are going to be lining up. Neha, what is it that you can get us? This is something once again that can cause a huge gathering, a huge chaos. How is this to be handled?
Well, absolutely right, Seher. It was on Friday that we saw the Karnataka government permitting local pubs and bars to remain open and only provide their existing stock for takeaways is what we were understanding. But now, in fact, even after microbreweries have been permitted to stay open now and only provide the existing beer as takeaways, it is in fact, of course, on one hand, while it is a cause of concern for massive crowding around these microbreweries or for large queues, for inordinately long queues to be formed outside these microbreweries. On the other hand, in fact, the state government is attempting everything at this point in time to be able to make up for the lost revenue. Remember that excise in Karnataka contributes a major portion of the revenue for the state government. So having said that, while of course microbreweries have now been allowed to stay open, they can provide the existing stock of beer as takeaways. This has come in only till June 30th is what we're picking up. And if at all, of course, the stocks then do get exhausted before that, no new production will be allowed. But also understanding that strict vigilance will in fact be put in place around all of these microbreweries, and people will have to maintain social distancing, wearing masks. So it is, of course, going to be really a Herculean task over here for the government to ensure that norms are not flouted or norms are not violated. We'll have to wait and see how this pans out.
All right, so this is still the stock lasts. This is once again, one could see serpentine queues for this. Let's see how this is going to be handled on ground. Neha, thank you for getting us those inputs.